I'm Jennifer Angel. This is your horoscope overview for the coming week, Aries. Now, there's a lot happening in the chart this week, and of course we're at the beginning of April, and now we're going to be leading up to the Grand Cardinal Cross, which we'll talk about in more depth as we get closer to that. But with the orb of influence on the degree, then of course we are already very much influenced with that, and you being a cardinal sign, of course you're getting a direct hit. But right now this week, let's go through a few transits. There's quite a bit happening, so I'll just cover the ones that I think are going to be directly relative to you more so. And that is in your sign. The Sun is conjunct with Uranus. Okay, so the two are together, very close for exact degree, and the Sun, of course, is the most powerful force we have, and Uranus is all about its sudden moves, its originality, creativity, so very good for inventiveness and creating something new. So now we do have also the Sun is going to square Pluto. Now Pluto is in your area of work, so there can be some difficulty or stress or frustration, so don't worry too much if you start something or you get a brilliant idea and all of a sudden you think a project's going to go forward and then you seem to hit a roadblock. Okay, don't worry about it, just keep on going. Things will start to happen for you. There's going to be lots of changes coming over this month and some challenges too. Of course, it is a rather challenging month, but a month that can actually almost pick you up and put you in a new spot. Okay, so that's the good thing about it. Mercury in the sign before you is trining Saturn. Now with this, it's going to be good for partnerships for you, for financial partnerships or people that you can team up with who can provide some resources. Now tune into your intuition here. If it feels right, it is. Okay, you're going to have to just accept that sometimes you can't get all the facts and figures on paper. You have to just go with how you feel. And on the love scene, Venus is moving closer to your sign this week. It's going to move into the sign before you, your solid 12th house, all about your dreams, hopes and wishes. A good time to just think about what do you want your life to look like, in the love and romantic and intimate side. Good time to do the business plan of love, okay, because very soon Venus is actually going to be in your sign. All right, have a great week, Aries. It's certainly a progressive time at the moment, and as I said, even if you feel like you're taking 2 steps forward and 1 back, you're still progressing. Love and luck to you. I'm Jennifer Angel, broadcasting from New York City. Thanks for watching. Bye.